Hello and welcome to the Custom Data Menu Overview. In today's tutorial, we'll go over what types of features can be customized and items to set up when you first begin Workglue. Taking the time to set these up now will save time in the long run. When you first head to the Custom Data page, we've created a standard list of information included on the Account, Contact, Bid, Job, and Employee pages. If you'd like to create additional fields to show up across the program, do so here. You can click the headings across the top to jump down to different sections or scroll down with your mouse. The last 5 pages with the diagonal arrows will open new pages with that information. Edit your lead sources to fit your company. Enter the lead source when first creating the job for it to appear in the marketing report. Create the job types specific to your company and assign colors. If you do not use all of these types and prefer a shorter list, simply rename the unused fields to NA or not used to group them at the bottom of the drop-downs on other pages. This information is in the monthly sales by job type report and the job status page. Note that jobs marked T and M will not show progress on the status circles. Because there are no estimated hours, there is no way to know a % complete. The Sales and Lead and Job Stages section is a key feature for the progression of a lead all the way to archive. The list here includes suggestions for naming the different stages that can be changed. However, the defined meanings remain the same, as there are certain back-end functions that must happen at specific changes. Any job marked as sales will show up in the Leads and Bids menus, the active jobs will show up in the Jobs menus, and the closed jobs will appear under the specific customer accounts. If a status is not needed, rename it to NA or not used and grab the black arrows and move it to the bottom. These stages are used to filter the lead and job lists and can be seen in the job cost report. Customize your document types here. These will appear in the document section through the job details page. Think of these like a job binder and all of the documents you wish to keep track of throughout the job. Types include change orders, signed estimates, contracts, takeoffs, and color approvals, for example. You can restrict certain documents and update permissions for who has access to those documents. Account types will give you data for reports and help you get an overview of what type of work your company handles. Customize your units of measure to show up in the estimate or change order line items. We have employee roles and titles. Here you can customize what you call your employees and set up permissions for the roles to easily onboard an employee and give them access to consistent items in the program. Be sure to watch the video on employee roles and permissions for more information. If you do not use QuickBooks Online, you'll want to customize the estimate line items to how you'd like to track the hours and materials spent on your jobs. Service cost codes will appear on the mobile app for painters to assign what type of work they did on the job. You can set your cost codes and sale prices here to always pull onto your original estimate and change orders. You'll want to note if the item was a service, a labor hour, or material, and for labor you can note interior or exterior. Delete any unwanted items or add new ones. Be sure to review the website permissions for who has access to the costs. Those costs will never be visible on the mobile app. The checklist section is where you'll want to set up all your checklists related to your jobs. You can have as many checklists as you'd like. Some suggestions include a pre-job walk list, paint color submittal process, contract list, and final job walkthrough. Check out the video on checklists for more information. The Word PDF template section shows all of the tags you'll need to create your templates. You can upload your documents here to be utilized with the email functions and the Generate Template function on the job details page. You can create as many as you'd like. These tags will also work for email templates. Check out those videos for more information. Set up email templates to use when sending out documents to customers. You can set up a template for your estimates, change orders, or any item you regularly send to your customers. Check out the video on using email templates for more information. Set your company holidays to show up on calendars for scheduling references. And finally, set up your automated messages to go out when job statuses change or change orders are approved. Check out the video on automated messages for more information. Taking the time to set up the back-end customizations will save quite a bit of time if you tackle this up front. This completes the overview of this section. Let us know if you have any questions through the support button or email us at support@workglue.com. We'll see you next time.